Hi, this is Timber at Gemstone Home Inspections. We're here in a crawl space, and they remodeled this house recently. And what they decided when they were going to cut the toilet in, they decided to cut that I joist right in half and not block it out. Can you see that? So here's the one side, here's the back side. Typically, all you do is go across here, block it out, come back here, block it out. Anyhow, they just decided to chop it right in half and leave it that way. That's just what we do here at Gemstone Home Inspections.